Hey everyone, it's Kevin tomorrow from Strama AI. Today's video, we're going to take a look at how we can use our LinkedIn saved searches, save lists, and quickly populate our campaigns in Strama with those leads. So let's go ahead and let's dive in. So starting off in LinkedIn, I'm built a quick search for supply chain logistics personas within LinkedIn. So if I wanted to, I can click this save search toggle. It would save it, and then I would take this URL and I could bring it right into Strama. Now, if you're like me, you can also work out of lists. So within LinkedIn Sales Nav, you can create a lead list. For example, I've created a Pepsi example where I've populated that with a lead. You could have a whole set of leads 10, 20, 50, whatever that might be. And then once I have that list, I can take this URL, go straight to Strama. In my campaign, in my desired campaign, I'm going to click Add Leads, click on the LinkedIn Sales Navigator button. And that's going to give us the option to paste in that URL. Again, whether this is our saved search or our saved list. So I have that. I am going to click say search LinkedIn. And this is a bringing in that Pepsi example list that I just showed you. And so we see we have Luis. We're going to add that lead and that's instantly brought into our campaign ready to go. So in this case, I can take Luis, I can enrich that contact. If I could go in, I could qualify this contact. And again, you could do this for your whole list of, obviously, my example, I only had one, but if you had a whole list of leads, you can do that in mass. So we're finding this a real helpful way to get leads started quickly, just utilizing the work you were already doing in LinkedIn for your prospecting. So hope you found that helpful. We're finding this to be a great tool for our customers to get going quickly. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and we're looking forward to seeing you and talking to you soon. All right, bye bye.